Alright guys, in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different, but let me explain to you what we're going to be doing in a second. First of all, we have our first question.
Hey Franklin, it's Albert. I want to ask you a few things. First, I want to ask you, for a beginner, would you prefer to do affiliate marketing or dropshipping? Because I know dropshipping needs a lot of capital upfront, and with affiliate marketing, not as much as dropshipping.
Alright guys, so we're going to be doing something new on this channel, and we're going to see how it goes. A couple of days ago, I posted a story asking people to send me questions. Now, the reason I want to do this is because I get so many questions every single day on email, Instagram, YouTube, and it's very hard for me to keep up and reply to every single question, and I do get a lot of repeat questions. So once a week, I'm going to be doing a Q&A video where I'm going to take your guys' voice recordings and I'm going to go over them on YouTube. If you want to know how to send me a voice recording, there is a link in the description. You can send me a message and I will be doing videos every now and then replying to those messages for you. So I can help you grow your business online and hopefully make you some money online. So we're going to call this series something like Ask Franklin, something very generic, but I really want to help you guys out to make more money online and start your own business. So the first question was, what's the best for beginners online, affiliate marketing or dropshipping? Now, before we even get into that question, there's a couple of things you kind of need to realize. One important thing is affiliate marketing and dropshipping kind of are very similar in the way you make money. So affiliate marketing, you take someone else's product and you get a commission. Dropshipping, you find a supplier in China or another country and your supplier sends the product for you. Both of these methods, you don't touch a product. You just focus on the traffic. However, one of them is a little bit easier than the other, and I'll tell you why. So I will tell you what I think is best for beginners in a second, but let's talk about affiliate marketing real quick. So affiliate marketing, you have two options to send traffic. Option number one, which is what I like, is what we call organic traffic. So what I do is I go and build out these websites called niche websites. You can do a website on fishing, for example, and you can promote fishing products from Amazon. Now, the only problem with this traffic method, guys, is it takes a long time to start to get traffic. It can take 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, even up to a year sometimes, depending on how competitive the marketplace is. But essentially what we do is we go out and build these niche websites and we get Google traffic. Now you can do that with dropshipping as well, but it's a lot more competitive and it's a lot harder to get organic traffic to e-commerce products. Affiliate marketing is the best method you want to do if you want to do organic traffic. Now affiliate marketing, you can also use paid traffic. You can go out and build an email list and you can promote products in the email marketing part. So it kind of works the same as dropshipping. You can go and spend money on ads just like dropshipping. So those are the two methods that you can use with affiliate marketing. Now with dropshipping, most people only use one traffic method, and that's advertising. So you're going to have a lot of money up front, and I'm talking like $500 to $1,000. So over all of my time training people and stuff, I've found that most people need at least $500 or more, probably more like $1,000 or more to start dropshipping. So if you're a complete beginner and most beginners don't have a lot of money to start making money online, then I would recommend affiliate marketing. The reason is because it's such a low barrier to entry. So you can go and start a website right now for $3 per month. And you can just keep posting content. I know I've said this before, but you can just keep posting content and eventually you'll start to get traffic and then it snowballs. Or if you want to, you can go do paid advertising with affiliate marketing. It is a little bit harder, but you can build out an email list and you can keep promoting other affiliate marketing products. But what I like as well about affiliate marketing is if you wanted to, you could go and start a YouTube channel right now and you can make money via affiliate marketing that way. It's completely free. It won't cost you anything to go and start a YouTube channel. So in my opinion, affiliate marketing is the best for beginners. Now, if you have a little bit more skills online and you want to, make money quicker, dropshipping is for you. Dropshipping, you can essentially make money quicker because it is easier to make money quicker with advertising with dropshipping. However, even though you can get results faster, there is a lot more testing involved with dropshipping. Okay, so they're both very good methods for beginners. However, if you really want to do something on a really low budget, I'm talking like under $100 or for free or under a couple of $100, affiliate marketing. If you want to jump in, get results quicker, and you're willing to spend the money, then dropshipping. And the next question, actually, we're going to talk more about dropshipping, and I'm going to explain to you how you can make money quicker with dropshipping. So now we're going to go over the second question, guys. I'm going to do 2 or 3 questions per session. So remember, there is a link below. If you click that link, you can ask me a question, a 30-second question. and then I will use it in my next videos if you want me to put you on here. And try make it just like, really good questions, guys, because, not like questions like generic questions. If you make them really good questions, then you've got a better chance of getting them featured on this channel. So here's the second question, guys.
Hey Frank, I wanted to ask you, on average, how long does it take for someone using the e-commerce live training course for dropshipping that you offer to start making money? Let's say $100, $200, $500 a day. On average, how long does that take? I know it's not the same for everybody. I know it works different for every person, but on average, just wanted to know how long will someone on your course take to get to that point on average? What's your opinion?
Okay, so he's asking how long does it take to start making money with dropshipping. Now let's take my course out of the equation. He asked about my course. Let's just generally say, how long does it take to make money, or how quickly can you make money with dropshipping? So I've worked with many students, and there's one thing I noticed with the ones that fail and the ones that succeed. The ones that succeed are willing to put in quite a bit of money at the start. The ones that fail will run ads on $2 a day, $3 a day, $5 a day, and they're really, really tight with the money. They don't want to let money go for testing. Testing phase is the most important part, okay? But what a lot of people do is they try and test products that are not proven. You want to go and see what products are working in the industry or have worked in the past, and you want to go and promote these products. You have a higher chance of becoming successful quicker. But if you don't test properly, you probably will never become successful with dropshipping. That's the biggest mistake I see people make. Now, if you are willing to go out and hey, you have $500, you have kind of like $1,000 for testing, then I'm not sure how. I can't guarantee your results. I can't say when you will get results and what's the quickest way. But in my opinion, the quickest way to get results is not holding back when it comes to money. You've got to understand that you might fail at business, but you also need to spend money to see if you will fail or you will be successful. So what I recommend you do is have at least $500 to $1,000 set aside. Doesn't matter whose course you take, follow their strategies and be willing to test products at like $20 per day. And sometimes you might have 5 products stacked up, testing at $20 per day. That's $100 per day you're going to be testing at. So you can chew through money quickly, but you have a better chance of making money quicker and faster if you test products that are proven to work. So even though I can't give you a definite timeline, the quickest way to make money with dropshipping, $100 to $300 per day, is to test products with a good amount of money. This is the biggest roadblock I see. This is literally the number one roadblock I see. People will come to me in my group and say, oh, Franklin, this product's not working. And they send me their ad account and they're spending $2 per day. This is how you got to look at it. If you've got a product that you're selling for $30 and you hit, let's say, $60 in ad spend and you don't make a sale, it's probably a good indication that that product isn't going to work for you. Okay, but what I see is people will be selling a $30 product and they'll spend $5. You're just not going to make a sale doing that because you're not giving Facebook enough money to start with to even do anything with. So you're literally failing from the start. So the quickest way, simple. Follow whoever you're trying to get mentoring from. Follow what they teach, which is it's pretty simple stuff. Find products that are working in the industry. Be willing to spend quite a good amount of money, at least $20 per ad set to test. And test products that are actually working and have good videos and stuff or good images, and you have a higher chance of getting results quicker. Now, a quick little tip, guys, is when you're doing dropshipping and stuff, let's say you go and test a bunch of products and let's say you test 5 products at $20 per day. Let's say 2 of those products are making you sales, so you're spending $40 per day. What a big mistake people do is they just go and put the price up. They double or triple the price. What I would recommend you do is start to get some retargeting going. Just leave those cold ads on $20 a day, so you're spending $40 per day or whatever to get these sales. Let's just say one ad to make it easier. So you're spending $20 per day on that one ad set. Just let it run. Don't increase the price yet. Go and set up some retargeting ads first, and then just let kind of everything settle down. Then start to scale up your cold ad, because you're basically doing 2 things at once. First of all, you're setting up your retargets so you're ready to go. And they probably won't spend much money at the start because you haven't really got much traffic. But once you've got the retargeting set up, you can go back and you can start to scale that cold traffic, right? And also set up some abandoned cart emails and stuff. You want to get all of that stuff set up before you start to scale your winning main ad sets. Otherwise, you're going to be missing out on a lot of sales. And that's probably one of my main tips to get results faster, is to make sure you have your retargeting set up and your abandoned carts before you start to scale a potential ad set. All right, guys, so I hope you like this stuff. We will probably do some more. Really just depends on the questions that I get. If you have any questions, hit the link in the description. Send me a 30-second video, maximum 30 seconds recording, I should say, a voice recording, and I will feature them in my future videos. If you want to learn more how to do affiliate marketing and dropshipping, I will leave some videos up on the screen. These are completely free for you to watch. Click those right now and you will learn how to do affiliate marketing, and I will leave a video on how to do dropshipping as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, leave a comment below if you do have any questions, but I would rather you click the link and ask me questions in there, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.